Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to check DM on Instagram. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to check your DMs inside the Instagram app, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. So first things first, let's go open up the Instagram app here and see what we can actually access. Now, the thing with the Instagram app, it actually went a number of changes. Like before, at the top right, you should be able to click the message icon, but they changed that recently, and now at the very bottom of your screen you have 5 icons. You have the homepage, the reel section, the airplane or paper plane icon, the search bar, and even your profile. Now if you click on the center icon here, which is the paper plane icon, that's actually the message or DM page for your account. Now in here, the people that you are interacting with would also appear in here, so you can go and just select or click on their name, and that should basically redirect you to the DM page. And if you could go ahead and just start sending messages as you would, and that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.